Yeah.
All right, we're here with the money.
Uh-oh.
You can tell good quality, man, by looking at the label, man. It's like that cheap
Generic
plastic,
brand.
man.
Yeah.
It's that glass, good quality, man. You see what I'm saying? It's not that cheap Tupperware.
Wow.
Oh, you know, we got that orange pineapple. Let's see what it's about.
Wow.
Let me try some of this juice. Woo! This is what I'm talking about. Wet.
Wow.
Check this out right here, man.
Hold
Hold on,
the sticks out. Gotta go back to the sticks. This is sticky like something.
Oh, it's packed. And look at it. And look at it. Look at it. I'm going on something right there. I gotta grab him. Damn, that's good.
Tenfold.
Tenfold?
Wow.